Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer, the channel where you can learn how to transform your phone with amazing apps and tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a picture on Android using a free app called CapCut. This is a very easy and fun way to create stunning videos with your photos and your favorite songs. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Play Store and download the CapCut app. This app is very popular and has over 100 million downloads. It allows you to edit videos, add filters, stickers, transitions, and of course, music. Step 2. Open the app and tap on a new project. You will see a screen where you can select your media files. You can choose from videos, photos, or both. Step 3. Choose your photo from the albums or gallery. Then tap on Add. You will see your photo on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can adjust the duration of the photo by dragging the edges of the clip. Step 4. Now click on Add Audio, then tap on Sounds. You will see a library of music that you can use for your video. You can browse by categories, such as popular, trending, genres, moods, etc. You can also search for songs or singers by typing in the search bar. You can also extract sound from your device by tapping on the device icon at the top right corner. You can use any audio file that you have on your phone. Step 5. Once you have chosen your music, you will return to the editing screen. You will see your music on the timeline below your photo. You can adjust the volume, trim, fade in, fade out, and sync the music with your photo. You can also add more photos or music if you want to make a longer video. Step 6. When you are happy with your video, click on Export at the top right corner. You can choose the resolution, frame rate, and quality of your video. Then tap on Export again and wait for your video to be saved on your phone. And that's it. You have just learned how to add music to a picture on Android. You can now share your video with your friends, family, or social media. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one. Bye.